Si sir.
Okay. So yun, going here, we have 2 bedrooms pala. This is a condo unit with 2 bedrooms. So this is the bedroom 1. And we have all here, the wall cladding ulit, kabilaan, wall clads. And shout out sa mga boys, hindi ko pala yung mga boys, nagtatago. So yun. And yun, so dito naman mapapansin mo, ito naman yung mismong pinaka TV rack niya. So we have a back panel here. Hindi pa tapos to kasi magkakaroon pa to sa likod ng mga WPC and also
cladding din,
wall claddings natin dito. Okay, and then aside from that, magkakaroon tayo sa ceiling ng drop ceiling para for the accent and positioning no magiging accent light natin, yung mga chandelier or drop light. So yun. Aside from that, full wall has wall claddings here. Okay? So wall cladding tayo dyan. And most of it, ito, magkakaroon tayo ng Roman shades here for the window treatment. And aside from that, hindi ko pa na-discuss sa living area, we have curtains naman doon. And dahil dito, siksik na to, we're going to have the Roman shades here. Okay? Yun, incorporated with the magandang nating wall cladding. Okay? So this here, the bench, and lalagyan natin to ng cushion.
Cushion.
So may cushion tayo dito para syempre, if you're going to have a relax or coffee something, reading books or whatsoever.
Tapos ang ganda pa nung
Dito ka, kasi ang gandang view. By the way, yung view pala nito, kung mapapansin nyo, we're here in Bristol, is the Philinvest. Ayan, yung festival mall. Okay, so ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view mo dito. So ang ganda nito for relaxation. Okay? So we're going to have on the bedroom 2. Right now, we're here sa bedroom 2. Okay, sa bedroom 2, mapapansin mo na kasana dito yung mga modular cabinets. And also here, the dresser, the display cabinet, and magkakaroon pa to ng vanity and also the wall clads natin here, and also a ledge for floating shelves. And aside from that, meron din tayong drop ceiling din. So most of it, nasa 60% pa kami dito sa mga modular cabinets. And most of it, puro mga wall claddings. Kasi paglagay ng wall claddings, dapat wala na masyadong movement for modular cabinets and genworks para at least pag nilagay natin doon, hindi magkaroon ng damage or dumi. Okay? And also for the window treatment. And for the window treatment here is a Roman shades din.
So lahat pala ng window dito, sir, Roman shades?
Oo, then makikita mo rin dito, yung isang side na kita-kita dito yung skyway. Diba? By the way, ito pa na yung din.
Bedroom number 2.
Okay. So yun, so we're going to have you here again sa ating dining area and living area. So yun guys, so hindi na ako masyadong magtatagal. So sa mga gusto magpa-interior fit outs and mga interior products namin, so pwede kayong mag-visit sa aming website and also in our Facebook page. So by the way, our website is www.excellenthomedecor.com, and also our Facebook page is Excellent Home Decor, and we have also TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, and ano ba yun, Jed? And YouTube channel.
Sir,
so
yes.
so yun, so sana guys, like, follow, and share ninyo yung mga contents namin like this. Kung gusto ninyo ng mga katulad nito, ng mga pagpa-flex and also discussing about interior fit outs. So by the way yun guys, so hindi na kami magtatagal. So paano? Peace.